Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Angela.
And for some reason, we call ourselves Pure Detour. Catchy, right?
In the summer of 2021, we quit our jobs, left Canada, and sold everything we own to travel the world full-time.
Right now, we're spending a month on the windy Atlantic coast of Morocco in a city called Essaouira. And today, we're going to do something a little bit different.
We usually give you an Airbnb tour when we do our monthly cost of living video. But this place here in Essaouira, we so fell in love with it.
In love.
It's gorgeous, it's special, it's spectacular. So we had decided to devote a whole video to it. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath Moroccan home. It's actually a lot more house than we need, but honestly, for the price, we really couldn't turn it down.
No.
We'll tell you about that at the end of the video.
And we're going to get started here with showing you around the neighborhood that we're in. Let's go. So as we are walking through the Medina here, as you can see back behind me a little bit there's a little bit of roughness on the ground. It's normally not like this. They actually tore the roads up to repair some water lines the day after we arrived. When we arrived, there were all paver stones all over the place here. But now they've got it torn up, so it's a little rough and it's a little messy out here.
Super dusty.
Super dusty.
Our Airbnb is on the north side of the Essaouira Medina. So the nearest gate to us is the Bab Dukala, which we just walked through. There's usually not supposed to be cars in this Medina area, but because of all the construction, sometimes you gotta wait for the big truck. Here is our front entry area. Like a lot of traditional Moroccan homes, there are not a lot of windows facing the outside of the home. So you don't get a lot of light in certain parts of the house, and this is one of them. So our front entry area has a little place where we hang our coats and our hats. There's a little area to keep our shoes, and then bathroom number 1. In there is just a shower, a toilet, and a sink. Basic bathroom does the trick. And now on to the rest of the house. And now we move into the heart of this gorgeous home. As you can see, it is filled with light. Like a lot of Moroccan homes, it's got this central courtyard area, which over the top, they have actually glassed in. So we get a ton of light, but we don't have to worry about all the dust and the rain when it comes down. Here is our workstation. This is where Jeff sits and edits the videos, where I sit and do some work. That's like our charging station. But as you can see around us, the tile work, the woodwork on the walls, the attention to detail that's been put into these furnishings is what really makes us love this home. Now let's walk into the kitchen. One of my favorite things about this kitchen is, one, it has a couch in it, which you don't see all that often, but I like it. The kitchen is great. It's got a lot of counter space. As I said, I love to cook, so the counter space is great, as well as a gas range. I love a gas range. The gas oven works great. The host of this Airbnb has made sure that you have literally everything you need to make an amazing meal here. There are pots and pans, salt, oil, coffee maker. It's super well equipped, so I've really enjoyed spending the time here in this kitchen cooking, especially for Jeff. Now Jeff is going to show you the living room.
This is our living room area. Big, huge couches that wrap around the entire area. We have a great fireplace back here. We can light fires in the evening if it gets cold. TV station over here. One of the things that I love about this Airbnb, there's a local Moroccan by the name of Ahmed, who works alongside our Airbnb host who is back in France. He personally built a lot of the pieces that are in this place right now, such as this mirror right here. Also, the table that you see down here, Ahmed built that as well. His marquetry is fantastic, and as you guys have heard me talk over and over on this channel, I've spent my entire life in the construction industry. I've done a ton of custom woodworking. This is all mind-blowing, some of the work that he's done in here. Now let me show you the bedroom. Now, as I said, we're going to show you the bedroom here, but this is just bedroom number 1 in this place. This is when we're downstairs, we sleep here at night. Very comfortable. The bed, double or a queen size bed, I'm not really sure, but it's comfortable and very cozy. We have this great wardrobe here to be able to hang some clothes up inside of here. Now, we're going to jump in to take a look upstairs.
Up to the second floor. Here we are on floor number 2. Once you get up to the second floor, there is another bathroom. A very basic bathroom again, just a shower, a sink, and a toilet. It does the trick. Let's go check out bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2, which I actually quite like. It's got all of these details, like the light fixtures that they've chosen, all the little details just typify the Moroccan style that I love so much. We've actually never even slept in this bedroom. We never come in here. I don't know why, because it's really cute. Maybe we'll sleep in here tonight. Let's go check out the rest of the second floor.
This is the seating area on the second floor. As you can see, there's a ton of natural light that comes into this area. It's a nice spot to just come and relax with a cup of tea and read a book if you want. Angela likes to use this area here for her yoga and to get away from me when she needs to. Let's take a look at bedroom number 3. And this is bedroom number 3. If you had kids here with you, this would probably be where they would sleep. I'm surprised Angela hasn't made me sleep in here some nights when she's mad at me, but whatever. For our purposes, we use this bedroom for our clothes and our luggage, and it's basically our storage room.
Because we so fell in love with this house, we actually reached out to the owner to see if they could give us a little bit more of the history of the home. She told us that it was originally built in 1930 by a Moroccan Jewish family who steadily built another floor onto the house and expanded the house as their family grew, and eventually moved out in 1956 to settle in Israel. The next owner was a Moroccan military officer who rented it out to a couple of families until 1992. At that point, the house sat unoccupied for 25 years until 2007, when our current host and her husband bought it. Since then, they have been renovating it. As you can see, they've done a beautiful job, really taking the time to respect the original beauty and materials of the home while upgrading it and modernizing it so it's as comfortable as it is right now.
Let's go check out the third floor. The third floor consists of a half a bathroom, just a toilet and a sink in here, and a washing machine. So you can do all of your laundry here if need be. The only other thing up here on the third floor is an amazing rooftop terrace that Angela's getting ready to tell you about.
This is our amazing rooftop terrace. It's one of the main reasons that we chose this Airbnb. It's a nice quiet spot. It feels really private because it's got kind of the walls all the way around it. And it's a really good spot to come up, have your morning coffee, maybe a cocktail or a beverage in the evening, and you can watch the seagulls of Essaouira soar overhead.
So we showed you all these great things that we love about this Airbnb. Now we're going to show you a couple of the negatives.
We've already showed you this amazing terrace that is probably one of our favorite things about this Airbnb here. But one thing about it is that they call Essaouira the Windy City. What they don't tell you is it's also a very dusty city, so that when the wind whips the dust up here onto the terrace, it gets very dusty very fast. Poor Jeff basically spends maybe 2 days a week out here just cleaning it so we can enjoy it.
The home is built in traditional Moroccan style, which means it's basically like a riad. There are no exterior windows to the home, so right in the middle of the house is a big open, I guess we would call a courtyard type scenario that is open back up to the roof that they have covered with a little glass area.
So the glass roof lets a lot of light in, which is something that we love about it. But as days go by after Jeff has cleaned it and dust and grime start to build up on those windows, you can actually see the level of light in the place dropping significantly, which means I got to send Jeff up back to the roof to clean it again. That's much better. Thank you, babe.
And as promised, we would tell you at the end of the video how much this place cost us. All of this house, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, rooftop terrace, an entire month here, $690 US.
Yeah, we really couldn't pass up this deal, and we were just shocked by just the quality and the amazingness of this home, especially for that price.
The host is out of this world too.
Yeah, our favorite Airbnb ever. If you guys like this video and you would kind of like to get more information, more tours of the Airbnbs that we're staying in, especially if we love them like this, leave a comment down below and let us know if that's something you're interested in.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to see what happens next.
Bye.